Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can use emojis on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So before I show you how to use emoji on your PC or laptop, let me open my notepad first just for demonstration. So now that I'm in my notepad, let me now show you how to use emoji using your PC. So to do that, first, I want you to hold the Windows key in your keyboard. And while holding the Windows key, I want you to press the period or dot key in your keyboard. And after doing that, the emoji section will now appear on your screen. As you can see, there are many emojis you can use right here, so just select whatever you like. And if you want to browse more emojis, just click this. And then you will now be able to see many different emojis you can use, so just select whatever you like. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, you have now used emojis on your desktop. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.